Well, I found this at Chamber Pilgrims the other day. It's one of those three-way cartridge things for Gameboy SP. I went ahead and opened it up because I was curious to see if the integrated circuits inside. There's none, just some capacitors and resistors in there, and a switch. I'm guessing they just had the power and main data pins attached to the switch. Probably. Otherwise, that's gotta be very clever if this thing actually works. Thing is, I don't have an SP at the moment to test it on, and my brother won't let me use his.